Welcome back to Ketorific Journey with Mike. I'm Mike, Reformed Fat Man. Today, we're going to make some hamburgers, ground beef burgers, in the air fryer. So stick around, see how it's done. So I turned them at the halfway point, and I'm just going to add salt to it this time for a little more flavor. And let them go back in to cook some more. I've put some pickles, mayo, and mustard. No ketchup, just mayo and mustard and pickles on it. You can see it's perfectly cooked in the middle. So, hope you'll give it a try. I'm gonna give you a taste here in just a second and let you see how it tastes. Hopefully I won't make too big a mess because I did load it up with mayo. So hang on. Cheers, everybody. That turned out great. Very juicy. That was good. Pardon me. So, until the next time, this is Mike at Ketorific Journey saying, let's be careful out there.